A couple is giving a rundown motel new life and helping those who lost their homes in the flood. They're from Middle Tennessee, but moved here after the floods. As News Channel 11's Sarah Diamond reports, they plan to use the facility to help flood victims and others in the future.
It was once a motel with a high crime rate. Now the former Budget Inn is getting a facelift thanks to the folks with Buffalo Disaster Relief. Melanie Klump and her husband bought the motel and are turning it into a place where displaced people from the hurricane can live while they figure out their next step.
So main goal right now is getting the displaced, whether or not they come from North Carolina, from Virginia, from South Carolina, from Tennessee. However, we need to get these people stability.
The Klumps have gutted each room and are ready to implement the next step in the process.
So we have volunteers that are on standby. We have contractors that are on standby. We have been making sure that we are following everything to a T to make sure that we go through the fire marshal and get their approval first. We get our proper building permits.
The group needs donations, skilled workers and volunteers for demolition and utility installation.
So that's the biggest thing, but a lot of people, we need them to understand that this is going to open up 69 doors for people. So it's not about us or Buffalo Disaster or anything, it's about the displaced. It's about the people that are living in campers or living in hot tents that don't have a home to go to.
Klump says her long-term plans for the building will shift to another population in need, veterans.
And then from there, we've been reaching out to the Veterans Association to see what we can do long-term goal. There's always going to be a crisis and a need, but the first and foremost is the Hurricane Helene.
A commitment to an area hard hit by the hurricane that will have a lasting impact. For Community Heroes, I'm Sarah Diamond.